In the final statement of its Fifth National Congress, the Democratic Labour Party in Morocco called for the opening of serious dialogue on the basis of self-determination and relevant international resolutions to resolve the conflict in Western Sahara and spare the region more suffering and tragedies. The Moroccan party highlighted that the settling of Sahrawi issue in accordance with international conventions will contribute to opening the way for democratic solutions that will pave the way for building the unity of the Maghreb peoples.
It strongly calls for the fateful unity between the peoples of the Maghreb and the renunciation of the chauvinistic strife and ruptures fueled by existing regime, and calls for resolving the conflict in Western Sahara on the basis of self-determination and opening a serious dialogue on the basis of relevant international decisions to spare the region more suffering and tragedies, and in order to open the way for democratic solutions that will pave the way for building the unity of the Maghreb peoples.
Speaking about internal situation in Morocco, the party stressed the need for different parties to join forces in order to get rid of Al-Makhzen, which includes all classes and social groups affected by the tyranny of Al-Makhzen mafia. The party also denounced the murder of dozens of African migrants on the Moroccan-Spanish border on June 24 and condemned all reactionary policies pursued by Al-Makhzen regime in the immigration file. The statement rejected categorically the normalization of relations with the Zionist entity and expressed its full solidarity with the Palestinian people in their struggle for the liberation of Palestine and the building of its democratic state on the Palestinian soil with Al-Quds as its capital.